Hello tech lovers. Windows is chock full of temporary files that helps the operating system to do its job. Occasionally these files caches can become corrupted or get so large that they interfere with the performance of your computer. If you are running low on storage space or notice some unusual behavior from Windows system, one of the first thing you can do is clear the cache. If you don't know how to do this, just stay tuned until the end of the video and I am sure after this you can clear all types of cache on your Windows computer easily. Let's get started.
बन्धन सिमेन्ट नेपाल गुणस्तर चिन्ह प्राप्त साथ प्रविधि र गुणस्तरको
You can clean cache or remove temporary files in your Windows settings. One of the example is windows.old folder. Whenever we upgraded from an old version of Windows, you have a windows.old folder on your computer and it's using up a huge amount of space. You can delete it, but it's different from deleting a normal folder. Right clicking on the start menu and then settings. You can also use Windows plus I for the same. Then choose system on the left and then storage on the right panel of the page. Here you can see all the storages we have in our Windows system, and for more just click on show more categories and there we get more to see. Here you can select temporary files. Select almost every option and click on remove file button. This process will take some more time, so wait for the cleaning process to be completed. This should pause your computer of temporary files and free up your disk space. Next you can do is use the Windows key plus R keyboard shortcut to open run command. Then type this command line to open software distribution folder, or manually go to C drive, then inside Windows folder search for software distribution folder and then go to download and select all its content and click the Shift Del key to clear the content permanently. I'll make a video on this in detail and the link will be in the description below. In the case you are having trouble deleting all the files, simply restart your computer and try again. Temp folder is related to the Windows temporary data and you can clean it by the following process. Press Windows R to open the Run app and type TEMP in the text box or by typing this command line in the Run window and click OK or hit Enter. If permission is asked, just click on the Continue button. The temp folder will open in the File Explorer. Then select the files that you want to delete. You can quickly select all of the files by pressing Ctrl A. Before deleting any temporary files from your PC, you should first close all the other programs that may be running on your computer. Then press the Shift Del key to permanently delete every files from your computer. Windows will begin deleting the selected temp files. If administrator permission is asked, just click on the checkbox and then click on the Continue button to delete every items. Choose Skip if a folder in use notification appears. %temp folder is used to store the application related data but not operating system data, and you can clean it by the following process. Press Windows plus R to open the Run app and type %temp% in the text box, or you can open the %temp% folder by typing the following path in the Run window. Then click OK or hit Enter. If permission is asked, just click on the Continue button, otherwise the temp folder will open in the File Explorer and then select the files that you want to delete. You can quickly select all of the files by pressing Ctrl A. Before deleting any files from your PC, you should first close all the other programs that may be running on your computer so that only Windows is running. Next, press the Shift Del key to permanently delete every files from your computer. Windows will begin deleting the selected temp files. If administrator permission is asked, just click on the checkbox and click on the Continue button to delete every items. Choose Skip if folder in use notification appears. Many people think that deleting Prefetch folders will make your computer fast, but it's not true. Instead, it will increase the loading time of that particular application that you have decided to open. Thus, it will make your computer slow. So, there's no need to delete Prefetch items. I'll make a video on this in detail and the link will be in the description below. Even if you delete the Prefetch folder for the intentions of cleaning space, it will be recreated by Prefetch, so there's no need to do this. When you will delete the Prefetch folder, it will slow down your boot and the application loading times. In case you want to delete Prefetch files, you can do is press Windows plus R to open the Run app and then type Prefetch in the text box or by typing the path in the run window and click OK or hit enter. If permission is asked, just click on the continue button. The Prefetch folder will open in the file explorer, then select the files that you want to delete. You can quickly select all of the files by pressing Ctrl A. Next, press the Shift Del key to permanently delete every item from your computer. Windows will begin deleting the selected Prefetch files. You can also use the disk cleanup utility to remove cache or temporary files. To do so, press Windows plus R and type cleanmgr.exe and press OK or hit enter on your keyboard. Here you can clean disk cleanup drive selection. Then select your drive and press OK. Then again select almost every option and click on Cleanup System File and press OK. Click on Yes when you are prompted. Check all items, then click OK. Click on Delete Files. Wait for the Disk Cleanup utility to clean the files. That's how we can use Disk Cleanup to clean the cache on your Windows. Windows Store creates temporary files when you are downloading apps. To clean the Windows Store cache, press Windows plus R and type wsreset.exe and hit enter on your keyboard or just press OK. Wait for the process to be complete. When the process is done, the Microsoft dialog box will appear when it's finished. That's how we can clean the Windows Store cache. There are cache files created by your browser when you are surfing the internet. To clear the cache, open browser in which you are planning to clear cache. Press the Ctrl, Shift and Del key on your keyboard at the same time. See if you are on Basic or on Advanced tab. If you are on Basic, then choose the Advanced tab. Select all time or everything in the time range section. Make sure every item is selected and then click the Clear Data button. Your cache file will be removed very soon. If you want to clear your Windows 11 PC's DNS cache, open the command prompt as an admin. To do this, click on the Windows menu icon and type command prompt. The command prompt will appear in the search result and then right-click in it and select Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig//DNS and hit enter on your keyboard. After some time, you will receive a message letting you know you have successfully flushed the DNS removal cache. To clean the location cache, press Windows I for the Windows setting option. Then choose Privacy and Security on the left and Location on the right panel of the page. Microsoft operates a location service that helps determine the marked geographic location of your Windows device. So you can turn it on and off anytime you want. I'll make another video on this topic, but let's continue briefly. The marked location of your device allows apps to give you a direction. So shops and restaurants that are near you and more. Many apps and services request location information from your device. And the Windows location service gives you control over which apps are allowed to access your previous location. So you can also turn this on and off individually. In this section, you can set your default location in the default location section. And in the location history section, you can clean your location history, because when your device location is on, then your location is stored and available for limited time on this device. So just clean on clear button and here you go. Every location has been cleaned. Hopefully, the method above help you clean your Windows 11 computer system cache. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and click on the bell icon for the notification.